Hello, viewers of YouTube. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys something about Gamesalad. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm working on Gamesalad, I had a hard time um, creating a level select system like this one here. I had a hard time creating this because I couldn't find any what do you call it tutorials on how to do it. So I had to create one on my own. It actually ended up being horrible, and if you beat the first level 5 times, all these levels would unlock. So now I figured out a new way to do it, and I'm going to share this with you guys. So first things first, what you want to do is create your multiple levels and your level locks. Now you don't have to do it this way, but this is how I did it. So, it's just to help you guys out. What I did was first I went in to attributes, and for every level I've created like a level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. And I'll have more levels later, but this is early. And they're all set to Boolean. So you're just going to add a Boolean, choose, and then name it, level whatever. And I went and created pictures and then created a level locked. The level locked is simple. It's just a picture. What you do, though, is you go into actors, you pull the level locked inside, and click into it after you've set your level name and overlay it with level locked. Okay. Let's say I go to level locked 2. So I set a rule up that says attribute game.level2, which we created in attributes, is true. We make sure it's false. But it says when game.level2 is true, destroy this. Destroy the level locked. And then what happens here is what's this? Attribute change level 2. I could be gone. When attribute game level 2 is true, and the mouse is down and touch is pressed, change scene to level 2. That only works once this is gone. And what you notice is, in order to make it true, we need something to make that true. So what we do is we go to our first level, which is already open, and when we go to the end of the stage where the car is going to, see, there's the car, and when the car hits the finish line, we need to make that true. So what we have is when actor receives event overlaps or collides with actor of type car, change attribute game.level2. If you don't know how to do that, go game level 2 and you can double click that. It'll pop up to true. Make sure it's all lowercase, and that'll change it to true, so that once it's true, this lock goes away and you're now able to enter level 2. Let me give you a preview. Now level 2 is open. So, yeah. I hope that helped. If you're wondering, no, this game isn't finished yet, but when I do, it'll be published. If you see anything in here right now that you can see and you'd like to understand, just send it a comment. I do have this little red bar here is a you lose. This is a life bar, a pause menu, moving car. If there's anything in there that you just saw that you really liked and you want to learn about, just send it in a comment. The pause menu here, the you win scene, all that.
You win!
All that's subject to change, but yeah. So if there's anything else you want to know, comment and I may do a tutorial on it. But I hope that helps. Make sure you attribute, add a new Boolean, make sure it stays false, that's unchecked. Name it whatever your level you want to name it. Go into your actors, make sure you're in your level select. Drop the picture in there, level 3, just drop that in there, and then you'll click on your level lock, and you'll drop that above it, make sure it's small and not huge like that, Double click on your level lock, set it so that when game is 3, it's true. Destroy this so that it disappears, so that you can go in here. Game 3 is true, mouse is down and touch is pressed, change the scene, go back, and we go to level 2, and we say this time when the car touches the finish, instead of level 1, we say make sure game.level 3 is changed to true, change scene you win, stop the music, all that good stuff. So I hope this helped.